A music app recommends songs from different genres. The app shows these chances for the next song. So there is a 40% chance that the next song is pop. There is a 0.45 chance that the next song is hip hop. Which genre is more likely to play next? What do you think? All right, now to compare this, we just have to think about what 40% means or what 0.45 means. So 40% literally means 40 per 100. That's literally what percent means. Cent is, I think, Latin for 100, or at least that's where the root comes from. So this is 40 per every 100. And this right over here is 0.45. This is 45 hundredths. So this is 45 per every 100. So when you look at it like this, for every 100, you are actually more likely to get a hip hop, or you're going to get more hip hop songs than pop songs. Or in any one play or the next play, hip hop is more likely. It's 45 per 100 versus 40 per 100. So I am going with hip hop.